Hello friends, welcome to the Vastu Sutra. Hope you all doing well. Friends, Vastu Sutra comes with a north-facing house plan with a dimension of 15 by 60. As you know that the plot is north-facing, that's why we have designed the whole plan according to the northwest Vastu. So, as you know that the plan is appear on the screen. After the iron gate, we have given a parking with a dimension of 15 by 13.6. And a staircase, what we had designed, that is clockwise direction, with a dimension of 6 inches rise and 10 inches thread. And an entrance at the center, as you know that for north facing, it is very auspicious to give the entrance at the center. That's why we have given the entrance at the center. As you know that at the northeast corner, puja is provided, which is a provision in Vastu. That's why we have given the puja on the northeast corner with a dimension of 4 feet by 4 feet 7 inches. After that, a drawing is there with a dimension of 9 feet 1 inches by 10 feet 6 inches. After one bedroom, we have provided that is 10 feet 1 inches by 10 feet. Then a kitchen is there with a dimension of 13.6 by 6 feet 10 inches. As you know that the kitchen is provided with a small OTS which can give the ventilation for the kitchen. Then a bedroom is there with a dimension of 13.6 by 9.7. Along with that, we have a toilet with a dimension of 3 feet 6 inches by 7 feet 1. In front of the toilet, we have given a small OTS which can give the ventilation for the toilet as well as the bedroom. Similarly, we have designed the first floor also. Let's have a look on the ground floor, then we will go the first floor. So friends, as we see, the first floor is also appear on the screen. After the staircase from the first floor, we have given a balcony with a dimension of 15 feet by 13.6, which is a quite big balcony. Then the entrance is at the center as per the ground floor, what we have given in the ground floor. Same, we have given the puja on the northeast direction. And the drawing with the dimension of 9 feet 1 inches by 10 feet 6 inches, what we have given the ground floor as. Similarly, the bedroom has also the same dimension, and the kitchen has the same dimension, and a bedroom with a dimension of 13.6 by 9.7, what we have given the ground floor as well. Similarly, the toilet has the dimension of 3.6 into 7.1. In front of the toilet, similarly, the OTS is given. So, hope you like the channel, hope you like the plan. If you like the plan, don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you soon with a different day with a different plan. Thank you.